Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can create your own Facebook page using your phone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a Facebook page, the first step is to go and open your Facebook app. Once you've opened your Facebook app, the next step is to go to menu. Once you're on the menu, now tap this. After that, you will see the Pages button right here, go and tap it. Then go and tap Create. And right here, you can now enter the name that you want for your page. Once you're done putting your page name, tap the Next at the bottom of your screen. After that, you can now add a category to your page. Just type the category of your page right here. Once you're done putting the category of your page, you can now tap Create. Here, just select between these two based on the goal of your page. If your page is for companies or to promote your product, you should choose this, but if your page is about content creating like gaming and stuff, then choose this. Once you've selected, you can now tap Continue. After that, you can now add a profile picture for your Facebook page. Just tap this to add a photo. Now select the profile photo that you want. And there we go. Now we have our page profile photo. And after you finish putting your page profile photo, now tap Next. And then tap Next once again. And for the last step on creating your Facebook page, tap Done. And after that, congratulations, your job is done. Your Facebook page will now be created. You can now use your page for creating content, business, memes, and more. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now create a Facebook page for yourself. And so that's all for this video, guys. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. So that's all, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.